Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to calculate percentages step by step. Here we have a question asking us to calculate 30% of 20. So the first thing to do is always remember our equation, which is value divided by total value times by 100. In this case, we're going to have to rearrange that equation. So how are we going to do that? So in this equation, we have got given a percentage and a total value. So it would be 20. So let's just write out the equation. And we need 30%. Okay, so we're trying to find the value here. Let's just call it x. Okay, so exactly how we're going to do it, we're going to have to reverse everything. So in order to get rid of this times 100, you have to do the opposite, which is going to be divide, which will give us x divided by 20 equal to 30 divided by 100. 30 divided by 100 will give us 0.3, and that equals x over 20. Now, in order to get x on its own, you need to do something with this 20, which is going to be times in it, because at the minute it's x divided by 20, so we need to do the opposite, which is times it by 20. And if you times it by 20, x will give equal to 6. Okay, and that is how you calculate the percentage. Just making sure you know this equation here. That is the key, and being able to rearrange it as well. Now we're going to look at a few examples, different types of questions as well. Okay, so here we have some example questions. This question is asking us to find 3% of 600. Okay, there is different ways in which you can find the percentage. Therefore, I'm going to show you another way of how to do this. So to find 1%, all you need to do is to divide it by 100. So if it's 300 over here, you just need to divide it by 100, then you will find 1% of this value. So let's do that here then. So if we divide 600 by 100, it's going to give us 6. So 6 will be 1%. Okay. Then once we know this, if 1% equals 6, it's easier to find 3% because it's 6 times 3. Okay, which will give us 18. Okay, $18 will be 3%. Okay, 18 be the answer. Okay, cool. Let's move on to this question. So in order to do this, we can use this method. Okay, I advise you to do this method for 3%, 5%, because I think it's easier. You can use it for this question as well, so you can find 1%. Let's do that. So 300 divided by 100 will give you 3. So 3 equals 1%. In order to find 75, you just times 75 by 3. So if we do this, 5 times 3, 15, reminder 1, 7 times 3, 21, add 1, 22. Okay, so if we use this method now, let's do it down here. So our value is 300 times by 100 equals 75%. And if we obviously divide it by 100, give us 0.75. So x over 300 will give us that. In order to find x, times both sides by 300, it will give us 225. Okay, so that's one method to do it, and that's another method to do it. Okay, which both gives us 225 as the answer. Okay, if you have any questions, pop it down below, and make sure to give us a like and subscribe if you want more of these videos. Thank you so much, and have a good day.